guys, hello. The sun is literally about to go down, so I'm doing my intro right here. Today's video, we're gonna be trying to go find like all the new drugstore launches. I feel like it's always hard with like drugstore stuff. You never know where to go, but I feel like if I just hit up all the drugstore stores around me, I'm thinking like Rite Aid, Walgreens. Walgreens is the place sometimes, okay? Rite Aid, Walgreens, CVS, maybe even a little Target moment. We're gonna try to find all the new drugstore launches so I can show you guys, do a little haul, maybe in the future do some tutorials. So that's what we're doing today. I've been wanting to do this video for forever, so I don't know, it's the day to do it. I just filmed this tutorial though. Girl, I'm obsessed. I feel like it's so cute. I actually did I went to a Makeup by Ariel masterclass, so I used his tips and tricks in this video, and I think it should be up before this one goes up, so I'll link it down below. My shirt just fell down. I'll link down below if you guys want to see it, but the sun's literally about to go down. I'm so sad because it took me a little long to film this video. So we're just still gonna try to make it work. I'm gonna go hit up some drugstore stores and see what we can make happen. Drugstore makeup, here we go. What's up, guys? I literally don't know if we're filming. First up is Rite Aid. I feel like every drugstore has different stuff, and some are better than others. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like Walgreens is always like really fuego in the makeup department, and then Rite Aid, some Rite Aids are good, some are not.
Does Target count as a drugstore?
Yes, and we're going to Target for sure. But Target's makeup section has really improved lately, I feel. Cosmetics, beauty. It's like, it's a whole vibe in there. And also CVS always has new launches too. So we're gonna basically hit up the Fab Four of drugstores and see what we can find. Do you have anything to add? Since last time everyone came for you saying that you were negative.
You know, a lot of people came for
defend yourself. I don't know, defend yourself.
I have nothing to defend. If everyone hates me, I can't do anything about it.
Okay guys, disclaimer, last time Alyssa was on my channel, I think that was the last time, but last time it was like 3 o'clock in the morning. She literally drove an hour to help me like organize my makeup. Like literally, what friend does that? A good friend, okay? Second of all, it was like 3 in the morning, and then by the time I finished filming, I think it was like 6 in the morning. So like obviously she was not herself. She wasn't like,
I was tired.
She was tired. She was not her norm. So today you'll see Alyssa's norm, also known as Pineapple Alyssa on Instagram.
Well, also I do appreciate the comments of people being like, didn't you guys see it's 3 a.m.? That was really sweet.
You the real ones.
That was really sweet.
What's like a banger that we could like really like have fun with here?
A banger
that we could have fun with and sing together. Kelly Clarkson sings You.
No! Kelly Clarkson was my parents' wedding song.
What?
Yeah.
Okay, what's a good one then?
It just reminds me.
I really hope we're even recording. Literally we can't know until we stop, so. Okay, what's another one? Because you're not really jamming out.
Because I have to pee.
It's always something. And last time it was 3 a.m. This time you have to pee. There's just always something that holds you back. I'm just kidding. Honestly, I want this to be like my wedding song. This next one. So beautiful.
Yeah, this is a good one.
This is a good one, right?
That's
like imagine dancing. Don't steal it. Don't steal it. I swear, don't steal it. Don't even try me.
In 3/4
This is your wedding song. You know what this is about? You know what this is? It's about. Listen to the lyrics. It doesn't sound like, listen. Dude, I'm telling you, it's a banger.
Can you break bread with me?
Hopefully we've been filming, I don't even know. First stop is Rite Aid. I used to go to Rite Aid all the time with my dad, and we would get like the ice cream when I was a kid. So Rite Aid, I don't know why I always like coming to Rite Aid. Look at this makeup section, like I feel like it's popping. Oh, I see a new section next to a cute dog. Ooh, clean fresh skin milk. That actually looks It looks very intriguing. Very, very intriguing. I think I'm gonna get light medium and maybe a medium tan and potentially mix them together. Wait, we forgot to get a basket. Probably light or light medium. Let me getting a list of the new launches too.
It's got
some on me. You're not supposed to freaking open it.
It was already open.
Oh, okay. And then don't you guys be out there opening up drugstore makeup, because that's one of my pet peeves actually. No, I know. Alyssa didn't do it, it was already open. But I'm saying just in general that, like, I hate when I buy a lipstick and then it's like, there's like marks on it, like somebody's already put that on their lips. Like, come on, guys. All of them are open. That means that they literally come like that. That's kind of weird.
Are you gonna get it?
Oh, this is so cute. Bambi. My nickname when I was growing up was Bambi because I was like really like I had long legs when I was skating, and then like I would just kind of like collapse everywhere, and then people would be like, all right, Bambi. Oh, there's a medium shade. I'm getting the medium. It's kind of weird that it's like open, right? It should be fine, right? Just have faith in humanity at this point.
Which ones are you getting? Which ones?
Opa! Okay. Oh, I've actually been really wanting to try this. It's the new Maybelline foundation, the Dream Radiant Liquid.
But I thought
you were
filming like my little brother.
And it says hyaluronic acid and collagen, which sounds really nice. Oh, man down. Ooh, look at this. Rosé Kiss All Day Glossy Lip Color. This looks so pretty. I really hope that it's unopened. I really, really hope so. But I also don't want to open it. Oh, they have a velvet one too. So they have a glossy and then a velvet. So I'll get one of each.
Wait, should we get Greek yogurt or ice cream here?
Greek yogurt is definitely healthier.
I know, but I don't go to Rite Aid that often.
It's 2020. We have to be healthy.
You. Oh my god, these are
Get
so
them
cute.
and share
Cherry
them.
Coke would be.
Boom. Cherry Coke? Do they have that?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's so
I said
cute.
Cherry Coke would be yours.
That mascara is bomb. We already got that. Oh, new Wet n Wild blushes. Ooh, that's actually really exciting because you guys know I love a good blush moment. Oh no, these are the same shades but in different packaging. New packaging now. Pearlescent Pink, that was one that I always got. Mellow Wine. And then we have Nude Society, which I don't think I've tried, so I'll get that. We have some new blush highlighter combos from the Hello Halo collection. We got it! And then everyone looked at us. Anyways, drugstore makeup is kind of coming for us. I literally spent, look at that. I literally spent $103 on that. And then, how much did you spend? 30 bucks on 2 drugstore foundations. That's actually, I know, I feel like drugstore makeup's getting really expensive. Don't you think? Yeah. I spent 103 bucks. And then Rite Aid came for me today. All right, next place, we got to CVS. CVS, 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 CVS. What does CVS stand for? CVS! Ooh, they have a really good food section here. Ooh, Color Sensational, the creams. I didn't see this at Rite Aid, but you guys know I actually really love Maybelline lipsticks. They're the Shine Compulsion Color Sensational is so bomb. So this looks actually so good. Ooh, look how pretty these nudes look. Oh my god, this looks like it's right up my alley. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. I literally can't get over it. Okay, I'm only opening these because I'm gonna get these just to show you guys, but like,
They're already open too.
look how pretty they are. These look so pretty. I'm so excited.
I was gonna get this one.
Okay, get this one because this one's really pretty too and it's similar. The creams. Okay, the creams.
This is actually pretty and I'll put it on now. Well, in the car.
Me too. Yeah, we should try it in the car.
Yeah. I'm never coming on these hauls again.
Ooh, LA girl. Oh my gosh, this palette looks bomb. 35 colors for 20 bucks? What is this? Falscara. Brush on Bond. Place wisps underneath. Maybe I'll try that. This is from Kiss Lashes. It looks like Revlon has some new eyeliners and brow lights. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of scared of this, but kind of intrigued. If you can see, it's like metallic. It has a metallic like flick right there. It's like brown with metallic. I don't know, I guess I'll try it out. Ooh, some new some new Revlon primers up here. This bronzer looks lit, dude. This bronzer looks so fire. It has like a sheen to it. Oh, that looks good. Wait, do they have bags? Another $100, and this is literally, I didn't even get that much stuff here.
I like how everyone turns around.
Change of plans. We were gonna go to Walgreens across the street, but I think it's closed down or something. Not really sure because it's not there, and we walked around it a couple times and there's nothing there. So we're gonna go eat and then go to Target and Walgreens after hours. Ooh. But we're gonna try out our new little Maybelline lipsticks, which I'm so excited about. So which one are you gonna try? Which one did you get?
Bare Reveal.
Should I try the same one?
Okay, yeah.
Should I? Or should I do the other one, Naked Dare? I'm gonna show you guys now that I'm like more comfortable not opening them in the store. These are the two shades. Naked Bare is just a little more warm than Bare Reveal. So I'll try Naked Bare.
That's what I'm trying.
No, you're trying Bare Reveal.
Oh. They sound too similar. Okay.
They're pretty similar, but you know I love a good nude moment. And honestly, Maybelline makes the best drugstore lipsticks. Ooh, wait, that is so pretty. Oh my god, that is like the perfect, like, light caramel nude. So cute. And the formula feels very moisturizing on the lips. That's one thing I really like about Maybelline lipsticks in general. I feel like the formula is always like really solid.
Yeah, I like that one.
I love it.
To be honest, I don't really wear lipsticks. What?
It looks good on you.
I usually wear like lip liners as lipsticks.
Yeah. I like it on you.
I like this one.
It looks really good. All right, so that was a success. We're successfully on our little haul of drugstore newness. But we're gonna now go to Gracias, Padre. All right, we will see you there because now it's so dark I can't really drive with this light on, with this camera on my dashboard. So we'll see you at Gracias, Madre. We're having the cutest little dinner date. We got the cauliflower, it's the best. Guac, chips. We're going in. Okay, you guys, I don't know. I think maybe Walgreens has gone out of business. I'm not really sure. I need to do some research on this because literally now we've tried to map out 2 different Walgreens and we drive by and nothing's there. So I don't know. I don't know if Walgreens exists anymore at this point because now there's been 2. So at this point, we're gonna go to Target. We're gonna go to Target. The infamous, beautiful, regal land of Target. All right, guys, let's see. We're both so tired now. What time is it? Like 10 something? Hydrogel under eye masks. That actually looks so good. Illuminating eye cream. I feel like I've had this, but this used to be called Hello Hydration for sure. I mean, honestly, I don't know if we came to the right Target. There's not much new stuff.
Yep, I don't see much.
This little stop is turning out to be a little bit of a fail. I don't see much new stuff. Ooh, chill mist. Ginger and kombucha chill mist. We're getting a few things. That's it though. I've already spent a lot, so it's okay, right?
I spent over 200.
Got so much good stuff. Alyssa already left now, but I'm here. I thought I would actually go through like what I got just in case if you guys if it was hard to follow along in the vlog part. So let me start at Rite Aid. I got 2 different new foundations and I got a couple shades of each just to try them out. So I got the Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid, which I am so excited about, in the shade 80 Cashew and then 75 Natural Beige. Then I got this CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk with coconut milk and aloe extract in light, medium, and medium. I got the Bambi Eye mascara, which I'm very excited about. I am so tired, you guys. It's literally like 11 and I honestly never stay up this late, so I'm pretty surprised that I'm even still up. Then I got these Physicians Formula Rosé Kiss All Day Glossy Lip Color and Velvet Lip Color. Should I try one on? This is Sweet Nothings. Ooh. And And then from Wet n Wild, I got this Halo Glow, or Hello Halo, sorry, blush lighter. And also their new packaging of blush, which is, this is the shade Nude Society. Then from CVS, I picked up the LA Girl, this huge palette. This is the Born exclusive 35 color eyeshadow palette, which looks really pretty. These are the shades that come in it. Mascara from Kiss Lashes. I got a new bronzer from Revlon. My hands are doing some crazy things. And then the Revlon Prime Plus Brightening and Skin Tone Evening Makeup and Skincare Primer. And then also the Revlon Color Stay Bright Lights, or sorry, Brow Lights. I'm so tired. Then I got 2 of the lipsticks, which again, you guys already saw, but we tried these out. I got Naked Drama and then Bare Reveal, and they were fire, okay? Well, the one that I tried, which I think I tried the one that was called Naked Dare. Bomb formula, bomb shade, really like it. And then from Target, it was a little bit of a fail because like they didn't have any like specifically new section actually at that Target that I went to, but I did pick up these e.l.f. Hydrogel under eye masks. I just, in general, I love like hydrogel masks for under the eyes. I just feel like it's really nice and hydrating, and like my concealer always applies a lot better on top of it. Then I got this ginger, kombucha, and vitamin D chill mist, which I kind of want to try out right now. I really like, it actually smells like ginger. It smells really nice. I love this brand though. All of their stuff I feel like is really high quality. It was a little pricey for the drugstore, okay? It was like $23, I think, or $20 around there, which was getting up there. All right guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoy coming around on my day with me. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And my next video, I think what I'm gonna try to do is kind of just testing these products. Maybe I'll do like a soft glam using all of these products, or you know, like some kind of drugstore video using the products that I got today. So love you guys so much. Remember, you are beautiful inside and out, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.